excuse my hair. I'm super tired because I did film a very interesting video, but I wanted to film this haul video, so I just tied my hair up, wore these stunning earrings, and I'm good to go. And I don't think you will mind watching a haul in me like this. So let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't checked my last haul, consider watching it after watching this one. So I did mention in that haul that soon you will be seeing part 2 because I have been buying these products from that time itself. It's just that I was waiting for few more products and it was way too much to show you guys everything in one video and not to confuse you. So I thought and I decided, let me just make it in 2 parts. So today you will be discovering a lot of different skincare, and mostly I would call it as more of a MyGlam haul because yes, MyGlam had such amazing offers, amazing discounts that I just got a little greedy, extensively greedy, and I bought a lot of things. If you want to know all of these skincare products I bought and what all offers are availed, and yes, some more other products, then keep on watching. Now there are a lot of things I bought from MyGlam, and I did restock upon a lot of things even without using them. Yes, let me be real here because they were running such an amazing offer, flat 72%, who gives you, and they were giving it. It's not that they're cheating. ऐसा नहीं होता up to 50 and 50 है भी नहीं किसी product पे. It's like flat 72 मतलब flat 72, flat 50, flat 50. So you should check out MyGlam. I will leave the link in the description. If you go through that link, you get additional 150 credit which you can use it on your purchase. I do not make any money out of it. So let's get into the haul. So the first product which I happen to get from MyGlam is their Glow Iridescence Brightening Essence. Now I was not aware they have a whole range of product. Instead, they happen to send sometime 2 samples of their moisturizers from this range. I liked it so much that I first bought the essence, not in this sale, long time back. I started using it and I loved it so much. When I saw this offer, I started restocking up and as well as bought all of their products from the range. So as I said, essence, this is brand new. I have already been using another one. This will cost you 1,195 rupees, and this is how the essence come. I like the packaging on every single product, and I must say the packaging, the brand speaks out Manish Malhotra. Let's be real, if Manish Malhotra has a brand, it should look like Manish Malhotra's brand. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए ना, it's only into lehengas and dresses. Since he has a cosmetic line, packaging it, so definitely I will give 100 on 100. So yes, the essence I'm already using. I love it, I like it, and with every product they have given a pump that's really thoughtful. And you get, I think, 15 ml of product. Yes, you get 15 ml here. It is less compared to the pricing because I also felt initially 1200 15 ml, but then I realized if अगर इसमें 30 ml होता and this essence would have costed me 3000, क्या मैं इसे खरीदती? नहीं, because then we do not see the amount of product, we start seeing the price, because straight up आपकी पॉकेट से 3000 रुपये चले जाएंगे या 2200-3200 रुपये चले जाएंगे. So compared to the pricing, I felt that was a very smart move for the brand as well. कि 15 ml में 1200, people will at least buy it, use it, love it, and reuse it and rebuy it. So yes, I like it so much that I had to stock it up when it was on 72% off. And I did mention about this offer on my IG as well. And some of you were smart enough to buy our products. So follow me on my Instagram @BronzingGeek. Moving on to another product. Another one, again, something I'm loving is their Glow Iridescent Brightening Eye Cream. All of their products, all of these products from the Glow range are enriched with rose hip. So again, something well done. इसकी costing है 1,195 rupees. यहाँ पे भी you get 15 ml of product, and I'm already using it. Again, I already have another one. I'm not showing you the other ones because video बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी. So this is how the eye cream would come. I'm already using it and it's really good. Something I feel well done. They say iridescent, but doesn't mean it is going to sit like a strobe cream on your face. it was just going to melt into your skin. Oh, I just love the texture of it. Again, something well done, and you get 15 ml of product. Moving on to another glow product which I got, Glow Iridescent Brightening Foaming Cleanser. You know my love for cleanser, it is endless. So I had to get it since I was buying everything from this range. I was like, cleanser bhi le lete hain, and I bought 2, but I did not buy everything for myself. Cleanser I bought 2 because I want to give it to someone. So I got this one. This will cost you 995 rupees, and again the packaging is lovely. Oh, just love the packaging. It is rich, luxury. अपने हाथ में उन्हें पकड़ लिया तो लोगों को बिलीव नहीं होगा कि ये क्लेंजर है, बट इट इज़ अ क्लेंजर. द ओनली नेगेटिव विद द पैकेजिंग इज डू नॉट, ऐसे मत पकड़ना, कभी कभी ये अपने आप खुल के गिर जाएगा नीचे. सो वही है, इट इज़ नॉट वेरी टाइट, बट ऑल इन ऑल पैकेजिंग प्रोडक्ट इज गुड. क्लेंजर भी हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं. Next up is something which I have not used the past 1.5 years. It's a complete risky product, but I bought this product only after reading the ingredients. Is the Iridescent Brightening Toner. ये मैंने एक ही खरीदा because जैसा कि मैंने कहा मैं 1.5 साल से टोनर्स यूज़ नहीं कर रही हूँ. इसकी कॉस्ट भी 995 रुपीज़ है, and this is how the toner would come. Packaging is similar on every single product. Now the best part about this toner when I was buying, after reading the ingredients, that it doesn't have alcohol. The major reason of me not using any toner is alcohol content. Firstly, I don't know how much they add. Dusra, they add way too much, which starts drying out my skin and enhancing the textures on my skin or giving me texture, which I do not like it. It happens with me, and that is why I do not use toners. A lot of you have come back. Toner is important. Toner is important. I understand, but sometimes those important things don't work well for your skin or my skin, to stop using it. Just because somebody said it is important, it doesn't become important for you or me. So जैसे कि मैंने हमेशा कहा, always do some experiments with your skincare routine. If something is not working, something you have to delete, something you have to include, do that. You are free to do that. Okay, so you are your own doctor for your skin. So I stopped using toner, but I bought this clearly because almost इसकी 3 चीज़ें मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी थी. I was like, toner भी ले ही लेते हैं. So toner, I got it. I have not started using it. I will start using it and let you know. I will do a complete review on this whole range. And yes, something I'm also interested in using. And the other reason also of me getting this toner was, it is not watery. It is into more of a creamy, watery texture. So my skin like those kind of textured products. I do not like something which is extremely water. If I have to like it, it has to be extremely good, like L'Oreal Crystal Macro Essence. I love it because it doesn't dry out my skin. So something which I'm also excited to use, the toner. Sorry, my battery died. Moving on to the last product from this range is the Glow Iridescent Brightening Lotion. Now this is a body lotion. Now I was not aware this range has a lotion till the time I saw like a million posts on Instagram, and I was like, okay, they have lotion as well. And some of my friends only pinpointed me, did you try the lotion, did you try the lotion? I was like, no. And they were like, okay, they are getting lotion, so I was like, हम भी ले ही लेते हैं. And since it was 72% off, so I was like, ठीक है, it will really not pinch my pocket. So the lotion comes into a packaging like this. Same packaging है. I got 2 because size बहुत छोटा है. और इसमें आपको मिलता है, wait, I'll tell you the exact amount of product you get in here. 50 ml. 50 ml के हिसाब से थोड़ी महंगी है ये लोशन, कुछ ज़्यादा ही महंगी है. I totally understand, but since I'm a content creator, I want to try the product, so I got it. And since I was not paying 1200 for it, it was okay. अगर मुझे normal days में अगर इसे 1200 में खरीदनी होगी तो I may not buy it. Other products I will still go ahead and buy, but lotion के लिए it is definitely expensive one. But I will give you my thoughts on the products in some later video. So I thought before I jump on to another product, I'll tell you how much I paid for all of these products. So जितने products मैंने आपको दिखाए, वहाँ पे मैंने 2 eye creams लिए हैं, 2 cleansers लिए हैं, 2 lotions लिए हैं और 1 toner और 2 essence लिए हैं. तो बेसिकली मैंने हर चीज़ 2 ली थी, सिर्फ टोनर को छोड़ के। तो हाउ मच आई पेड, मैंने एक बार पे किया था फॉर 3 प्रोडक्ट्स, आई जस्ट पेड 693 रुपीज़। एक 4 प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए आई जस्ट पेड 1100 रुपीज़। एंड आइडली इफ़ यू एड देम ऑल, अगर एक 1000 का भी है सब, तो आई वुड हैव टोटली पेड अराउंड 8000 और 9000 रुपीज़। लेट्स बी रियल हियर. So here I did a major saving. I remember I did place an order from my husband's account, my friend's account, and the total combination Zara bill mila ke, leaving the 50%, I did close to 3000 because I had few points also. That much as I remember. And apart from that, I did order 3 more things from a different range altogether in 50% off. That I'm going to show you now. So I went ahead and bought another skincare line by Manish Malhotra only. It's more of a luxury line, I feel. This is called as Manish Malhotra ही है, My Glam Manish Malhotra gel wale skincare. If you have been following My Glam, you know they have come out with a new skincare line. So this is their Amla moisturizing gel, and oh my god, when you see the packaging, look at the packaging. Is it not giving you Charlotte Tilbury vibe when you see this jar? I have not seen Charlotte Tilbury jar in person, but at least on Nykaa I've seen it, and it looks so luxe, and it has such a nice luxury scent to it. It is not too much, thoda bahut to hai isme. And I have not used it. I received this like 2 days back, and this is the Amla gel. This is for people who are into their aging, who want to work on your wrinkles, blemishes, a lot it offers to you. ये मैंने ऐसे ही नहीं खरीदी थी because ये सस्ती थी, because you know I am very restrictive on gel products. I do use very minimalist gel products. ये लेने से पहले I read everything about it, and then I decided, okay, this is made for my skin, so let me just get it. So I got this one. इसी के साथ I got their Manish Malhotra Cinnamon Ginger Night Gel as well, which will again come into a packaging like this. This is the Amla one, this is the ginger one. The only crunch factor is that they could have at least changed the color of it so that I know which one is what. So Amla one has to be used in the morning, and the ginger one has to be used in the night. So okay, I thought it for a moment that I'm not recording because something beeped in between, I don't know what. So this is how the ginger one would look. Cinnamon ginger night gel. So this reminds me of Wow Skin Science Aloe Vera Vitamin C Gel, and something else also I have. Similar fragrance. So I'm going to like it. Yes, I'm going to like it. So these are the 2 things, and the one thing which I did not receive is the eye gel, which is the haldi one, which I am awaiting. इसीलिए उस चक्कर में हमने वीडियो फिल्म कर डाली, because I was like, it is not coming anytime soon. Let me just film this haul. So those were all the My Glam products I got. I did not buy any makeup because I already have a lot of makeup, and it's just that I was not interested in buying any makeup. Yes, there were 2 products which I was interested, but they were out of stock, so I was like, जब ये stock में आएंगे I will get it. I wanted to buy the moisturizer from the Glow range. That was the first thing which I wanted to buy. That is out of stock, and it is not stocking up. I have told My Glam people, please stock it at least. So they're like, it will be stocked soon. So I'm just waiting for that time. So let's get away from My Glam. Let's move on to some other brands as well. So there are a few products which I have picked up from Nykaa, but there is one product which I picked up from Amazon. Is that Dr. Foot Heal Gel. This is how the box is. I don't have the actual product with me in the hand. It's in my bedroom and my kid is sleeping, so I'm not going to disturb him, and I want to finish this filming. So I will be not so soon. Whenever I heal my feet with the treatment which I am giving to my feet, I will do a complete dedicated video. I've already started capturing picture video of my wonderful, beautiful, not so beautiful feet so that you know from scratch till the end how I've done it. It's my own experiment. So I did buy this foot gel to work on my feet. For instance, I would say it has been working, but just do not buy it because I said it is working, because there is a lot of other things I'm doing. So hang on, I will do a complete foot care video, not so soon, because I want to have that perfect feet, then only I will make that video. So this product is in use. I have to repurchase it because mine is about to get over. Next up, there are 3 products from the Face Shop. Now Face Shop is again a spoiler. Abhi last haul mein I showed you that they did an offer where you buy for 999 and you get something free. Here also they got an offer, you buy for 999, you get a moisturizer free. And this time they were selling a moisturizer which I absolutely love for my skin, the chia seed one. Now it is not the older packaging, so I'm assuming it is the same moisturizer in a different packaging, because I'm not able to see the old one anywhere. So that means they have revamped the packaging, because they have revamped the packaging for the mango seed version also. So I'm assuming they have just revamped everything. So for 999 I had to buy something. What did I buy for 999? Firstly, I bought this Rich Hand Special Care hand mask for my hands which are not in a good state. Okay, should I show you what state my hands are? Abhi to fir bhi better hai. I don't know how much my, see. Okay, so this is my hand. You see the fingers? This is how my other hand hai. Now ideally it is always full, but now to abhi to fir bhi better state mein hai. So this is the state of my fingers as well, because in winters generally it starts cracking, it gets very dry as well, and I do suffer from extensive crack and dryness. So मुझे ऐसा कुछ चाहिए था, and since I had to buy wisely, I thought let me just get this one. Now summers are already here, not too much but still here. So this product one time use hai and my hands will be sorted. This will cost you 250 rupees. So I got this one. Next, I was looking out for this product for the longest time. It's just that I never thought of buying it. But since here I was like about to shell out some money, so I was like, ye le lete hain. So this is the All Clear 4 Smart Cleansing Oil Whip. This is the one. Now I already have the cleanser kind of a thing which I'm already using. I do not use these products on daily basis. I use it only for the days when I'm wearing makeup and I don't have my balm around me. I just went for the bath directly. So these products come really handy, and for that matter when you're traveling also these products come really handy. I have not used it, I just got it. So yes, this is something which I got for makeup removing, and you can actually remove only makeup with it. So you just take it on your hands, dry hands, rub on your makeup melts down, and then you just have to wash it with warm water. So this is another purchase. So iska total bill mera tha kuch, I think it was exactly 1000 something. And on purchase of that, I did receive my free moisturizer. This is the Chia Seed Advanced Hydro Cream, and this will cost you 2400, and the expiry is 13/23. Though the expiry on this one, which the product which I purchased, the expiry is I think December 21. 21? I think it is 21 only. But I will use it. I will start using this now because I wanted to use my Plum cleansing balm, but that one I can keep it for my some other time. This I will start using, so it will get finished. But this one definitely Still Dale Fresh piece acha hai. And then you get the jar like this, and again this is into a cream form, and I feel they have changed the scent is same, but I personally feel they have changed the texture of the moisturizer as well. I don't know, I have not used it. I received all these products 2-3 days back. Obviously by the time this video goes up it will be 1 week back. So yes, quite happy. If you get these offers, do not think too much. But when you're buying for 999, I would highly suggest you, if you're buying a set, then see what all you get in that set. If agar aapko usme sirf ek hi product usable and others are waste, do not buy the set. Then buy a single product. You might pay 1100 instead of 999, but at least you will use that product. I always say, do not do stupid shopping. Use do shopping wisely, smartly. These sales are not smart moves, but for brands it is a smart move. But for us also it should be a smart shopping. So buy something sensible what you want to use. So just do not haphazardly add things into your cart and okay, 999 ka bill ho gaya, okay, I'll get a free product. But you're paying now 999 to get that free product. You have to understand that. Saying that, the last product, and I've kept the most interesting product for the last because I've not shown you a single makeup product here. So I thought एक makeup product तो दिखाना बनता है. I wanted to show you this thing in my last haul itself, but I thought no, I will keep this for this haul. So we'll end it with the amazing palette by Colourpop, the Fade into Hue. I've already shown this palette on IG. Oh my god, this is such a stunning palette. I've not used it a single time. This is how the palette looks like. Oh my god, girls. I always wanted the Colourpop Rainbow palette, which is like a Z palette and they have all single shadows. But when they came out with this one, I was like, I don't want that anymore. I want this because they're not single pans. They're in like one palette and you get so many different colors of shadows. Like I do not like to have a lot of colorful palettes in my vanity because I'm a more of a warmer tone girl, peaches and browns and blacks. I want to have a colorful palette, but I just want one or two, nothing more than that, and this really solves the purpose. And I would highly recommend or suggest you guys that if you get this palette in an offer, 25% off, pre-order it and take it. I paid 2,600 for this palette because I pre-ordered it from an Instagram page. Once you pre-order, you pay the sale amount. But when you buy afterwards, then you have to pay the full amount because you never pre-ordered it. So always try to get your products in pre-order. If somebody is taking pre-order, you will pay less amount. So yes, a stunning purchase and I'm really excited. And yes, I have ordered a few more things from Colourpop, which will take some time to come to me. Whenever they come, I will definitely show it to you in a haul. Finishing on that note and showing you so much of skincare and merely a makeup product, everything will be linked in my description if you want to grab anything. Do check out my Glam website. If they still have offers, it's not late. You can still avail it and you can get few things. So do follow me on my Instagram because I do update you guys on my Instagram stories about any existing offers so that even you can save some money. You don't really have to wait for my review because if I've already been using the product, I will still give you a gist on my IG. So do check out my Glam website and I will leave the link to the website in my description. If you go through that link, you get 150 credit. You can use it in your first purchase. Saying that, I will see you in my next one with another haul, another review and more makeup, more skincare. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @BrandsandGeek. Till then, you take care and ta-da!